Hi, this is Tua with another video. Today I'm gonna show you how to install Davinci Resolve 17 on Debian, Ubuntu, and its base distributions like Linux Mint, Elementary, and Pop! OS. I create a new video because the script 2 was updated to support the latest Davinci Resolve 16 and 17. This gonna be straightforward video. If you want to know a bit more about Davinci Resolve on Linux, I suggest you to watch the previous video. I put the link in the card above in the description down below. So, let's start by downloading the software from its official website. Once the page loaded, scroll down a bit to see the download button. Choose Davinci Resolve 17 Beta to get the free version and Davinci Resolve Studio 17 Beta for paid version. As you can see, the file size is around 2 gigs. I'm gonna cancel this anyway because I've already downloaded it. So, let's continue by grabbing the make resolve deb package script that created by Daniel Tveson. Okay. So now we have 2 files that need to be extracted. You can do this by simply right-click on them and choose Extract here. Once extracted, move the bash script to the same folder where you extracted Davinci Resolve. The next thing what we're gonna do is open the terminal window and install the packages that are needed for running Davinci Resolve on Linux and generating the deb. I put these packages in the description down below, so you can just copy and paste it. Now we can create the deb package by running make resolve deb script followed by the Davinci Resolve installer. This may take a while, depending on your hardware of course. So, it's good time to grab a cup of coffee. It's finished. We can now install the package using dpkg from the terminal, or db, and edit for those who like graphical user interface. So, let's open the Davinci Resolve 17 from the dash. For those who are getting error in Ubuntu that OpenClaCUDA is not detected, try to launch the application by right-click and launch using dedicated graphics card. The error should be resolved. Thanks to Kun. This option is available on GNOME desktop. I'm not sure about Plasma. So if you know, please drop a comment down below. That's it. Davinci Resolve 17 is now ready to use. Hope this video helped you to install one of the best professional video editing software, which includes tools for editing, visual effects, motion graphics, color correction and audio post-production.